Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys. Today we're diving into Logseq and breaking down the difference between tags and links so you know when to use each one for better note organization. Let's start with links. In Logseq, you you create a link by putting a word or phrase inside double square brackets like this. Project X. This creates a clickable link that leads to a dedicated page for that topic. If the page doesn't already exist, Logseq will automatically create it for you. This is super useful for building a connected knowledge base, like linking tasks to a specific project, person, or topic. Now, let's talk about tags. Tags are created with the hash symbol like this. They work similarly to links because they also create a page, but tags are usually used to classify or categorize content. Think of them like labels or filters. For example, you might tag multiple tasks with hack urgent or hack review, and then view all items under that tag by clicking on it. So when should you use each? Use links when you're referring to a topic or creating a network of connected ideas, like linking meeting notes to a specific client. Use tags when you want to label or group related entries for easier filtering, like tagging all your high priority tasks. Both links and tags are clickable and lead to pages, but tags are better for filtering and grouping, while links are great for building structured, interconnected notes. That's the difference between tags and links in Logseq. Use them wisely to keep your notes clean and powerful.